Imagine making money in real estate without ever setting foot in a property. No dealing with tenants, no endless paperwork, just smart, automated decisions driven by artificial intelligence. AI is transforming real estate investing, and if you know how to leverage it, you can tap into a world of opportunity that was once reserved for industry insiders. But how does it actually work? And more importantly, how can you use it to generate real wealth? Let's start with one of the biggest shifts happening right now: predictive analytics. AI can analyze millions of data points to identify undervalued properties before they hit the market. That means you're no longer relying on guesswork or outdated listings. AI tools can scan market trends, rental yields, price fluctuations, and even economic indicators to pinpoint high-growth areas with precision. Imagine having the foresight to buy in an up-and-coming neighborhood before prices surge. That's exactly what AI can do for you. Take Ethan, for example. He used AI-driven property scouting software to find a 3-bedroom home in Manchester priced 15% below market value. The AI had flagged it due to a combination of factors: nearby commercial developments, rising rental demand, and historically low supply. Within 6 months, the property's value jumped by £28,000. This is what happens when you have AI working for you instead of relying on instinct alone. But predictive analytics is just the start. AI is also revolutionizing property management. If you own rental properties, AI-powered platforms can automate everything from tenant screening to maintenance requests, rent collection, and even legal compliance. No more chasing down payments or spending hours sorting through applications. Platforms like Rent Profile and OpenRent in the UK use AI to assess tenant risk, ensuring you get reliable renters who pay on time. That means fewer headaches and higher profits. Then there's AI-driven short-term rentals. If you're into Airbnb or holiday lets, dynamic pricing tools like Beyond Pricing or Wheelhouse use AI to adjust your nightly rates based on demand, seasonality, and competitor pricing. This means you're always charging the optimal amount, maximizing occupancy without undercutting yourself. But what if you don't want to own property at all? AI has unlocked ways to profit from real estate without the burden of ownership. Real estate crowdfunding platforms like Property Partner use AI to evaluate properties and distribute investments efficiently. This allows you to invest in real estate with as little as a few £100s while benefiting from rental income and capital appreciation without lifting a finger. For those looking for even more automation, AI-powered REITs, real estate investment trusts, are another game changer. Traditional REITs have existed for decades, but AI-driven funds take things a step further by dynamically reallocating assets based on market performance. This means your investments adapt in real time, minimizing risk and maximizing returns. Now let's talk about the future: AI-powered real estate flipping. Some investors are using machine learning models to assess renovation costs, estimate resale values, and predict market demand. These AI models can tell you exactly what upgrades will generate the highest return, down to the type of flooring or kitchen remodel that will add the most value. This data-driven approach takes the risk out of flipping properties and increases the likelihood of a profitable sale. That brings us to a crucial point. AI is a powerful tool, but it's not a magic bullet. You still need financial literacy, strategic planning, and risk management to make it work for you. Automated investing doesn't mean blind investing. AI provides the data, but your financial success depends on how you act on it. And one more thing. Whenever you're making financial decisions, especially those involving property, always consult a qualified financial professional to ensure the strategy aligns with your personal goals and risk tolerance. So, which AI real estate strategy excites you the most? Are you looking into predictive analytics, automated property management, or passive investment options? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, wait until you see what's next. Click the video on screen to take your wealth building strategy even further.